Mustang Convertible 289 automatic. Here's a 1954 Corvette we got in that's burnt. The front of it's burnt off. We have most of the parts to fix it. All numbers matching. There's the front end we got in on it. We got floorboards and the rear clip interior parts, doors and stuff like that. Here's a 2015 Camaro Zl1 Convertible. 6-speed, 69 Mustang Mach 1, 428 Cobra Jet car. Here's a 64 Ford Fairlane 260 with a 3-speed on the column. It's got 77,000 actual miles on it. Can I call you right back? Pretty clean car. No rust at all. Here's a 64 Fairlane. Somebody put a 302 in it. 4-wheel disc brakes. There's no more shock towers. They took them out. Power rack and pinion steering. Boy, that's hot. Interior of this thing, this whole car was somebody's baby. Whoever owned this really did a nice job. Here's a 69 Mustang Double R code 428 Super Cobra Jet. Has a shaker hood that's up front. We got the motor for this and the tranny. Top loader 4-speed. Got nice floorboards are on this car. This car sold brand new Sanderson Ford in 1969. Raven black with white interior. That's about it.